Hey, welcome everybody. Today this is a quick little video to help you guys build your ePortfolio on ekadence. It's really easy to use. You probably don't need to watch this video at all, but just to get you started. From your dashboard, as you can see on my screen at the very top, you're going to see ePortfolio. So go ahead and choose ePortfolio. And from there, you're going to get some choices. This is one that I made as an example a moment ago, but you're going to create a new portfolio and you'll get this default setting. If you want a different setting, if you just go to settings at the top, you can choose your layout. Any one of these will be fine, and you can change all of this, including the color, a little bit later. For your cover image, you can upload a cover image, and that's all under the settings tab. But you're going to do most of your work on the editing. Of course, start with a title, uh, and then you could choose, call it the American Experience, because this portfolio is going to be all about the work that you've done this year in U.S. history and geography. And choose probably a larger font, something readable like that. Impact makes a pretty good title, but you can choose whatever font you want. And then you click out of that box and it puts it there at the center. You can also do a subtitle, so you can add that. It's pretty easy to do. And then in this area here, you add your content. So you're going to start by choosing 4 activities that you think best describe your learning, not only of U.S. history and geography, but also your personal growth in the 5 C's, right? Your communication, your collaboration, your character, your creativity, and of course your critical thinking. And between the first and second semester, you got a variety of assignments to choose from. And again, you only need to choose 4 that really exemplify and really artifacts that exemplify your learning in our class this year. So choose those, and then you could upload them. When you choose these boxes, you can go from your Google Drive. You can upload videos if you want to do some screencasts and you want to do a little video reflection. Um, Uploading files, Google File. If you choose Rich Editor, you're going to get like an HTML editor, almost like building a website. Very easy to use. All your options across the top. I don't think you're going to have any trouble doing it. So choose 4 activities. Link to them here or paste them here. Feel free to use video, screenshots, anything to make your portfolio just pop and make it awesome. Um, and let's see if there's anything else. It's pretty easy to use. After all, if your teachers can do it, you can probably do it much better, being the digital natives that you are. And if you don't like a box, you can just X out of it. So again, the directions are all in Module 18. You're choosing 4 uh, assignments, 4 activities, 4 artifacts that you're proud of that demonstrate your learning and your ability in the 5 C's. But then you're also choosing one that you could have done better. Sort of a little bit of a confessional. We all have different demands in our lives. So choose one assignment that you think you could have done better and just explain what you did, why you did it, and how you would do it differently next time. All right, everybody. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys how to share your completed portfolio, and then we'll have a discussion on ekadence as we close out the school year. All right, everybody. Awesome. Hope you like it. If there's anything I could do, I'm only an email away.